If you would like our content to keep being created and reviews and hilarious videos and such, please hit that subscribe button and share it on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and tell everyone else to subscribe as well, because according to new YouTube rules, you have to have at least 1,000 to keep your monetization or to be eligible for it, and we need to keep it. So, if you would please do that, I appreciate it. Today we're looking at a Sony Reproductor Day DVD, DVP-SR210P. It has progressive scan. It is an Energy Star approved device. It's an ultra slim design. It plays DVD, RW, RRDL, CD, RW, and CDR, MP3, and JPEG photos. You got a multi-brand TV control. I believe you can link this to multiple TVs at once. I'm not entirely certain. Unpacking. Please open the opposite side. At least they tell you that. On the side of the box, you got this. You got the Sony. You got the name again. You got the model. Movies, photos, and music with uncompressed quality. Uncompromised quality. Sorry, I didn't pass kindergarten. And yeah, same things again. Backside, flip side as they call it, in the hood. Same thing, but in English. Wait, it's the exact same thing. The bottom of it, the exact same thing. The side of it, you get the model number. If you're looking at the exact model, there it is. This costs, I believe, $35 to $40. I know, just for DVD player. But it doesn't matter. It's Sony. It's name brand, because it's better than Sanyo. I believe it's Sanyo or Samyang or something like that. One of those companies makes some of the crappiest products you can ever see. I'm not saying we'd be opposed to reviewing their stuff and giving them a positive, review, wink and nudge, if they ever contacted us, which we have been contacted by companies like Helidio before. Opening this up, you got the nice instructions for the people that are new to DVD players. And believe me, there are a lot of people that still use VHS only. A lot of old people that haven't updated to DVD. I know. It's pretty funny. There are a lot of people that don't have computers either. Have not made the jump to the virtual age. Here's a nice remote. This remote, as I'm looking at it, is very, very nice. It's better than the Samyo remote. There are very few buttons. The important buttons are green, which is very unique. They're not red. That's very unique. I like that, Sony. It says Sony DVD RMT D197A. Can't tell what that other symbol is. 50, I believe it says 50. So if you're looking for a replacement for this DVD player, that's the model you want to get on eBay or off a Chinese knockoff market. So that's really nice. You have a TV input. That's really good that you have a TV input. You got a TV power on and off. You got a power on and off for the DVD player. So you get to turn your TV on and off with this remote if you what's it called? If you align it or whatever. It comes with two AA batteries. Dinda, Dean Ocean. There we go. And it comes very, very nicely wrapped up, and anyway, I'll continue that in a second. You got your RGB, yellow, and white, and red. Cords, so it's not HDMI. I know we're back in 2005 again. This cord is stuck, but anyway, it comes nicely wrapped up in a condom. That's what this DVD player comes. It's very nicely wrapped up in a condom to protect your DVD from any scratches or STDs that may incur during the shipping process. Here it is. Look at that. It's beautiful. It looks like a PlayStation 3 that has not worked out in a while and is now super, super thin. Look at that. It has not worked out in a while. It hasn't been on Job's training regime, or regimen, whatever you want to call it. So you got your DVD, listen, I know it's blurry. I got the bokeh set on my phone. Look at that. Look at that luster. See the shine? That's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Uh-oh, Goku's making a spirit bomb. Gotta run. It's got your eject button, really nice. Just like a PlayStation 3. A play button, a stop button, and a power button. Again, same stuff. Dolby Digital. You have all your little inputs. Look at that. Look at that. Flip it upside down. I'm going to say, if you want to read this stuff, let me get to where it's focused somewhat. Right there, just pause it and try and read it. I don't know what my phone is doing with that. But yeah, there's all your inputs. Pause right here if you want to see them. And you got your power cable. So now we are going to plug this up and see if it works.
still not coming out all the way. What the hell? That's somebody trying to tell you something. There's my birthday cake. Yummy, yummy. A what? Birthday cake. Cinnamon cake.